So I was browsing YouTube and got a recommendation to watch a monkey video. And it was actually funny, so I decided to watch another one. Once again, top tier monkey content. What's that? Monkey reacts to magic. Monkey goes for a swim. Monkey wears banana hat. That was enough. I had enough monkeys for a while, but it was too late. Boom, back on the YouTube homepage and all I see is monkey video after monkey video. Monkey drives golf cart. Monkey's boxing. Monkey mops the house. I had entered the monkey hole. No matter where I went, monkey videos. Monkey using toilet. Monkeys robbing people. Monkeys with AK-47s. Is the Taliban training monkeys to fight? With every lasting second, the monkey hole was pulling me deeper. It was at this moment I knew I had to go as far in as I could. Humans pranking monkeys. Monkeys hitting maximum velocity. Monkeys riding bikes into trees. I'd entered monkey territory I never thought existed. Monkeys smoking cigarettes. Monkeys driving cars. Monkeys doing handstands. Monkeys kissing babies. Monkeys tickling Robin Williams. Monkeys riding dogs herding goats. But that's when I saw it. I had gazed upon the dark abyss at the bottom of the monkey hole, and a golden light shined from it like a star in the night sky.